Am I live? Yes. Good morning. Morning. It's still morning for me. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. If you are watching this in the future and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, why don't you go ahead and smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. What's up, Grant? I am mostly live right now. Crypto Corp, Robbie, Guten Morgen. All right. I'm mostly live right now to test my microphone, but you know, I'll talk crypto for sure. I think that it won't. Uh-oh. You know what? I need to check something out real quick. Yes, okay. I think that it won't run out. So I would go for about 15 minutes or so, and then my microphone would just cut off. So I think I fixed the problem. I think we're good. But we'll see. You know, we'll chat for about 15 minutes or so, maybe longer. Sweet Mike, thank you. And then, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to change the tires on my car. Have to get an alignment. I might go live on TikTok, but we'll see. But for now, I'm just live on YouTube. It's a beautiful day. Man, things were looking amazing, and then now they're just looking wonderful. So, you know, if you've seen my Twitter, my TikTok, all that stuff, here's what I'm looking at here. This blue line up here, that's the 200-day simple moving average. And I don't use TradingView a ton, but let me do a one-day chart. That'll be easier. And so we came ew, that's gross. We came very close to that and got rejected really hard. So, man, I would love to see us break through that 200-day moving average, simple moving average, and then come back, test it as support, and then shoot off. So, no, I haven't really lost weight, actually, not at all. But thank you. I shaved my beard. Maybe that's something. So, what do I think is going on? I mean, it's time. That's what I think is going on. Bitcoin was unbelievably undervalued when it was in the 30s. So will we ever go back to the 30s? I'm not going to say we're done going back to the 30s. You put a gun to my head, I think we're done. I think it's time for us to shoot higher. I think, you know, how long will it take us to get back to the all-time highs? I don't know. I mean, this movement, look at this. July 20th, it's August 7th. So 2.5 weeks, Bitcoin is 50% higher. Do I think that's going to continue? You know, that we're going to increase by $14,000 over the next 2.5 weeks? I don't think so. I think it's going to take us another couple months. I don't think September is going to be a great month, but I do think August will be pretty good. So let's get above the 200-day simple moving average. Let's bounce off that several times throughout August and September. And then let's see about October, November, December. I'm thinking those will be good months. So should I wait to buy ETH? Do you own any ETH already is the question that I would ask you. If you don't use TradingView, what's your favorite platform to view multiple charts at the same time at a time? It's TradingView. I'm still learning TradingView. There was a website, dodx.com, and I used that one a lot, but then they shut down. It was a trading platform, and they just shut down. So then I went to TradingView and was like, okay, I'll do TradingView. So total burn, 98.50 ETH, $10,000 worth of ETH a minute. All right, you don't own ETH currently. You should buy some now. You know, if you had $1,000, put $250 in now, and then $250 next week, $250 the week after, et cetera, et cetera. My estimate for ETH this cycle is $15,000. And I truly, truly believe that that is a conservative estimate. So will ETH go back down under 3,000? Probably, but maybe not. Maybe not. So what else is looking good today? Doge is looking good. Litecoin is also looking good. Where's Litecoin at? 154. I've been telling people to buy Litecoin. All right, how long is a cycle? Bitcoin's having cycles. So every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that can be mined is cut in half. And so, let me think here. So it went from 1,800 Bitcoin mined a day and down to 900 in May of 2020. And then after that, it's been very predictable that there's a 1.5 year to 2 year bull run, and we go higher. So yeah, that's how long a cycle is. So everything operates off of Bitcoin cycles right now, except for Quant and Hex. But everything operates off of Bitcoin cycles for the time being. That's not going to be the case forever, but for now it is. So Doge finally followed once Bitcoin broke through 43K. Yes, they did. Yeah. Yes, sir. But I'm still less bullish on Doge over the next 3 months. I don't think there's going to be anything unique about Doge right now. Quant does what Quant does. That's right. Yep. I just made a TikTok. I'm just checking it out real quick. Yes. All right. So microphone's still working. That sounds good to me. Hope it doesn't cut out in a few minutes. What else we have? ICP, man, ICP. So if you've watched my channel, you know that I hate ICP. I don't think we're going to get back to that all-time high this bull run. I mean, it wasn't, this chart says 303. It said 750 was the all-time high on the day of the launch. So, but, I mean, look at that, leveled out. Now it's inching back up. I could see it going higher. What else do we have here? Let's see, I agree, only community behind Doge right now as far as like, yeah, that's, yeah, for sure. Nothing dark green. What's this? Qtum. All right, don't know a ton about Qtum. Luna was scorching hot. Now it's cooled off, which is good. Okay. It is nice to see ETH over $3,000 again. VeChain, 10 cents, all right. Double-digit pennies. Dots at $21. Solana, $33.88. XRP, 80 cents. All right. Here we go. I'm going to check on Matic real quick and Chainlink. Matic at $1.15. Excellent. Chainlink at $24.39. Sounds good, man. I got my first, just want to dip my toes in the water with NFTs. So I still don't really know all that well how to navigate this. We'll see how this goes. I got this Skelebit. Bought it for 0.01 ETH, about $30. And I just honestly didn't do any research. Just was like, all right, I'm going to throw $30 at this. Gas fees were more expensive than the actual Skelebit. And we'll see. You know, maybe this base will rise. Floor price is 0.02. So if I were to list it for 0.02, you know, that'd be higher than what I paid for it. And some are listed for 0.3 ETH. That's much higher. But there's other ones that are listed for lower, 0.07. I mean, 0.02 is the lowest one. There's an auction. 0.05. I want to check out this auction. I might do something like that. Oh, no, it's not an auction. Never mind. So, going to take a look at... I might dip my toes a little bit more in NFTs. So, yeah, trying it out. Yep. buy sandbox land and it lands NFTs. You can rent the space to game designers. Is that sandbox lands? What is this, Hussein? An NFT? Is that on a different platform? Sandbox NFT token. Buy land. Minecraft. Oh, all right. You can buy it on OpenSea. That makes me more interested in it. All right. So I could buy, 5 ETH. All right. So am I willing to pay 1.3 ETH, 1 ETH? Am I willing to pay that kind of money for a piece of land? Yeah, it looks like Minecraft. Yeah. What's the lowest priced one? That's what I want to know. Price low to high. Uh, 400 something. All right, I don't want to do that. See, it's a metaverse. They do land sales directly. Hey, what's up, Nicholas Baxter? I'm trying out my mic. I think I fixed the problem, which means that the audio quality will be much better and it won't die out. So, yeah, start your land portfolio. Man, these are expensive. I can't justify doing that. You know what I think I'll do? I will try taking baby steps. I'll try taking a smaller step and buy. Yeah, ETH's looking great, man. I'll buy an NFT and then hopefully flip it for a higher price. I'll buy like $500, an NFT for about $500 worth of ETH. I'll flip it at a higher price and then maybe I'll step in on this one. Because, man, yeah, 0.85 is the lowest. 0.7 is the lowest I've seen so far. I can't pay 0.7, man. $2,000 for a piece of land. Depends on rate of rent. Oh, yeah, you did say something about that, right? That you can rent. It's popular to rent. So I need to do more research on this. 0.65. All right, so guys, it seems like the microphone isn't going to go out. I'm happy about that. So I think I'm going to go live on TikTok. And I'll stay here too. All good with the mic. All right. How many friends are on here right now? What am I thinking? I'm thinking happy thoughts, Ragid. Prepare for Doge questions, yeah. Up or down? Oh. Well, watch my most recent TikTok. We got to break through the 200-day simple moving average. That's at, yeah, that's all the TikTokers want to know. That's at, it's at 44,800. Break through that, come back down, turn it into support, and it's game on. But, we've also, here's the deal. We've also passed several critical levels already. So we've passed, last week we passed the 21 weekly EMA and turned that into support. We've passed the critical $42,000 barrier. We passed a trend line from the peak that some are dubbing as the most important trend line in all of crypto. Let me do that, actually. Let me go to this guy on Twitter. I would recommend following him. Jordan Lindsay, JL Capital. He doesn't tweet all that much, but he has a YouTube channel. And I think that he would say it's on. No, JLC Capital, something like that. All right, I really want to do this before I go live. What's that website? I think you were looking at OpenSea. I was looking at OpenSea. So JLC Capital, something like that. There we go. JCL Capital. And I bet it's his pinned tweet. Yeah. So the most important trend line in all of crypto. We have breached that. We are above it. Looks like it's already turned to support. And so he says that that's it. After that, it's it. That's it. Bull runs back on. We had a similar trend line in 2017, and it took us until mid to late 2020 to cross that trend line. And once we did, it was game on. So it took us 3-4 years to do that. 3 years to do that. And here, you know, that trend line, if we were in a bear market, until 2024, we would have not have reached that trend line. We would have shot through it, or we would have been rejected there. So, but we've breached it. And now it's like, according to him at least, you know, game's back on. Unfortunately, we're under 43,000 again, but I would love to hold 42. So just be patient. You know, you guys know where I stand. I'm a bull. I think we're going to see another peak this year, and that we'll see six-figure Bitcoin. So, all right, going to go live on TikTok. Give me 1 second. I don't think I'm going to be live all that much, but might as well be live for a little bit. HODL, yes. Hold, baby. Oh, gotta plug my lavalier microphone in. Should I buy now Bitcoin and ETH? I mean, here's a dip for you, Hussein. I would say, yeah. I'd say now's a good time to buy. But I mean, I would say every day or every week or every month, something like that. So, all right, let me get set up on TikTok. What a day, ZK Pablo. What's up, my man? We did have a nice pump to the $44,000 range, but got rejected there. But you know what? Good day. Today's a good day. Hola, Cesar Sanchez. What's up, Robert? Have a good day. I will. I am. How do you keep track of all your positions and charts? Oh, man. 1 second. Multiple screen setup. See a lot of Amazon tabs. I don't know. I don't know how I keep up with everything. I don't do a great job. I'm not the most organized guy in the world. It was 44K, 44.5, but yeah, it was epic. Yep. Lower 20s when? Negative 8 months from now. Morning winner JD. What's up, Cryptoph? So how long till 100K? I think early 2022, mid 2022. Yeah, he's joking. Big Bert, he's joking. Never this year. Hey, Robert, happy Saturday. Yeah, today's a good day. I mean, we're dipping now, but it's all good. It is all good. All right, I need to close some stuff here. Get some bigger tabs. There we go. Good morning, Arham. ETH, yeah, ETH's good. Yquant stuck. It seems to be doing. It seems to do better when everything else is. I don't know what to say about it. I mean, don't. You know, give it time. It's already pumped pretty heavily. It's like you can't pump every day, all day, every day. So ETH 10K early January 2022, maybe. ETH 50K when? I don't know. If not in 2022 or early 2023, it's going to be after the next Bitcoin halving. When are you going to start picking up alts? I mean, I would start right now, but I would say, but personally, I'm maxed out right now. I'm all in. So I loaded up pretty heavily when Bitcoin got under 30,000 that one day. ICP pumped, yeah. Yeah, Jose Bitcoin 42K strong. Yes, sir. Philip Young, good morning. I don't think I'm going to be live streaming all that long, but just wanted to. I'm live on YouTube right now. Just wanted to test out my microphone because I think I fixed the problems. It's not going. It's not going out, which is good. Thank you for those roses. DogeArmyToken.com. Vet VeChain to $1. Still, in my opinion, I love Vet. Bullish. Quant. Is this a good entry today? I think so. Yeah. Let's take Pablo live today. I don't think he wants to go live right now. I don't know. I have a sneaking suspicion that he doesn't want to go live today. So VThor to 2 pence. What's VThor at right now? I don't know. $1,000 in DOT. Is that a good idea? I think that's a good idea. I think we'll at least hit its all-time high. So that's a 2.5x from here. H-bar price tar. Huh? I don't know what you're asking. Doge is up a bit. Yeah, I see Doge. Good for Doge. Audio's going, I guess is what you're saying. Compound been doing, lots of things are doing well. It's good to see. It's nice to see my net worth pick up again after, from the peak to the bottom, I probably lost $150,000. I wasn't sweating it, but it's go 20s. Okay, it's go 20s. Why the bullish market? It's time. It's time. Pablo's crying right now. Are we expecting another Bitcoin drop to 30K? I don't think so. No. Maybe the 30s, but not 30K. So will Ether supply just keep increasing significantly? Just less than before the update, or will it be more? It's definitely increasing less. Yeah. Good morning, Jay Barger. Just moved my H-bar to BitTrue for 2%. Excellent. Burned, then mined. I'm not sure. Pablo saying beat the coin to the moon. Yeah, ZK, I still haven't looked into audio. I'm all in. I'm not entering any new positions anymore. So I'll do that throughout the bear market. I'll look at good projects and put a lot of money into things. Is ETH going to burn each day now after the update? Yes. Yes. Do I buy ETH or Quant now? I mean, ETH is a no-brainer for me, but like between the two, maybe on this day, Quant. So why is Pablo hiding when Bitcoin goes up? I don't know. Maybe because he's so proud. Will Pablo apologize? No, he won't. But listen, I'm still planning on making a video calling him out if Bitcoin breaks the 200-day moving average and turns it into support. What about Raven? I don't know anything about Raven, sorry. Let ETH come back to 2,800. I hope it doesn't, but it could. Nicholas, you missed out on what I said about something. What ETH looking good? Yeah, I don't know what you're asking, Nicholas Baxter. So Mastic, do you mean Matic? I'm bullish on Matic, short and medium term. What's up, Wave God? Pablo on the moon. That's why I'm looking for the dip. Okay. What's going on with Ethereum Classic? It's up. Not surprised. So 48. Yeah, it'll go higher. Are we in a bull run? Do you think it will last? I'm willing to say that we are back on with the bull run, and I do think it will last. Yes. So the answer is yes, Craig and Harry. We are in. I've been saying that this is 2013 all over again. 2013, we had a double peak. In the middle of that double peak, everyone was like, all right, it's over. Oh, just in general, okay. ETH end of year prediction like 5,000, but end of cycle 15,000. If Bitcoin goes to 20K in like a year's time, Pablo will say he's right. It's not going to. Yeah. Pablo's making money on Discord, that's for sure. Growing the face rug back. Yep. Alts look like they've bottomed. Yeah. I mean, July 20th. Alex, there will be a correction. Keep pumping. It can't keep pumping. Corrections will be minimal. They will be minimal throughout this month. In September, there will be corrections. What's up with Quant? It's flat, but I mean, it's been pumping like crazy. So what can you say? I don't like Matic anymore. ETH Upgrade and other projects seem to be better bets now. You know, Matic has a lot of partnerships with different cryptocurrencies. I wouldn't be surprised if they did just fine, but it's a more of a risky move. Yeah, Vet almost 11, disappointing back 10, still on the way up. In general, yes. Good morning, Albie. How risky do you think it is to get in Quant right now? Less risky than I would have said yesterday, the day before. Hades, thank you. Quant's a great buy. Yeah, Quant is solid, but it's overhyped. Yeah. People are taking profits. Should have kept Trump. Okay. Pablo is a necessity, evil to laugh at. All right. I think now the strongest support level is at 36K. Is that correct? I don't see us going to 36K, but it's actually 39K. That's where the most on-chain movement happened. So you think Doge will get to 25 cents anytime soon? Yeah. I mean, it got up to 24 cents today. So when am I going to unload DOT when everything goes parabolic? All right, Quant going so under the radar. Yeah, only 23,000 holders. Yeah. XRP, it'll go up with the rest of the market. There's nothing extraordinary that's going to happen with XRP until that SEC suit is over. August prediction on point so far. Yeah, so hey, I was the MVP for July. I'm on point for August. So that Quant holds an interoperability patent. Why hasn't the beard grown back yet? It's growing. It is growing slower than I thought it would. What's up with the pudgy penguins? Oh yeah, I know. Go to Blockchain Boy for that. I'm not getting in that. After Blockchain Boy with his 300,000 followers got in, Quant isn't overhyped. Yeah, that's true. Rick Rock Pock. Yep. Hey Elohim, what's up, man? Do you have any price prediction for Algo? $7 this cycle. When do you think the bear market will start? Mid to late 2023. 36.4K would be the old low. Don't think it will happen. Okay, good. Yeah, beard's coming in. Oh man, is it too late to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? No, not at all. When will you call Pablo out? After Bitcoin goes above 40, the 200-day moving average, and then test it as support. DOT 2021 seems like ETH 2017. I've been saying that for Solana. All right, audio is only coming out of one side of my headset. I'll work on that another time. I'm just happy that it's working. VThor get a new all-time high, new high? I don't know. I have no idea. I haven't been following VThor's price. Do you think the infrastructure bill will have a big impact on crypto? I think that bad news has not affected crypto. And so, all right, it enacts in 2023. There's still time to do things to prevent the damage. So, all right, thoughts on Anchor. Thank you for those sunglasses. I am live on YouTube, by the way, right now. It is a better viewing and listening experience. So World War Bitcoin, look me up on YouTube. Anchor is I think Anchor is going to exist for a long time, which means I'm bullish on it. Thank you also for those other glasses. All right, let me go a little faster here. What would be one coin that would grow the most this month? Man. Litecoin, yeah. XLM end of cycle prediction like $5. Sorry, I'm behind here. I wanted to buy it yesterday, but lost the chance. Yeah. How am I? Fast and luxurious. I'm good. Today's a good day. ETH's over 3,000. Bitcoin is around 43,000. It's fantastic. ACH thoughts. I would stay far away from for the time being. Bull market 100% back on. I'd say like 90% back on. Binance price prediction 4 figures, but I don't know where. Any news over there? I just talked about the Senate crypto ruling. So CPT, BH, I'm not buying anything now. If I was buying anything, it would be Ethereum and in Litecoin right now. Alchemy Pay, yeah, I just mentioned that. RAP Pablo, when you drop that vid, yeah. Yeah, stay away from ACH for the time being. Virtual baking soda at the bottom, yeah. A bear market over now. Not quite yet. Sorry. BNB is Binance. They're being sued. That's right. Yep, but long term, I'm not worried about it. Gonna comment on here and listen on TikTok. There we go, Jose. Price target for correction of Bitcoin and Ethereum to enter. No idea. I would buy some now, buy some later. Good morning, G Siri. All right, TikTok audio is better now. Okay. Alchemy Pay, stay away. Again, stay away for the short term. What about Solana? You didn't finish. Oh, somebody said that DOT in 2021 seems like ETH in 2017. And I said that I would say that about Solana. So, oh my goodness, I'm dying right now. World War Bitcoin, subscribe to his YouTube. Tons of great info. Thank you. How much your Patreon? It's as low as $2.99 a month. What is my aspiration? Financial freedom? Yeah, I'd say financial freedom. Thoughts on Richard Hart's latest view? I don't know who that is. So, why Litecoin? On my Twitter account, I retweeted this thread. It was utterly convincing to me that Litecoin is due for short-term gains from medium-term. That the biggest thing that convinced me is that the Litecoin Bitcoin price chart. If you look at Litecoin in comparison to Bitcoin, Litecoin is so much, it's at this point right now where when it goes down to this point, it shoots up in comparison to Bitcoin. So Litecoin hasn't updated their website in a year. What do they have going on? I could see Litecoin being like exactly what I just said. Check out that tweet thread. But you know, 84 million Litecoin is 4 times as much Litecoin. They have a halving every year. Let's see. Will DOT get over 2150 today? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't get why Litecoin is buy. Listen, I don't like Litecoin for long-term holding. I like it. Everyone's asking me for short-term predictions. I usually don't like doing that. And now I'm giving a short-term prediction. And I understand. I don't like Litecoin. I don't like it long-term. Thank you, Evan, for subscribing to our YouTube channel. But you want a short-term call. I'm giving you one. And I've been giving that for the entire week. And Litecoin has been on a tear since I've given you that prediction or that call. So best TikToker, yeah. How do I join that? Go to patreon.com. Look up World War Bitcoin. All right. Richard Hart supposedly called the top of the day and reckons we're going to 10K. All right, he's wrong. So thank you, Childish Gambino. All right, what do you think Solana price end of 2021? $50 or so. Quant prediction, when everything was down, it was going up. Everything up, it goes slightly down. I just think Quant's going to do what Quant does. I don't think it's going to be the opposite of the market. You know, I don't think it's going to go down when everything goes up. I just think it's going to do what it does. Thank you, Lil. Thank you so much. What should we jump on? I saw Raven jump big time. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin is to Bitcoin what like silver is to gold. Thank you, D. Morose. What is this bill going to do to crypto? I've already talked about that. I'm not really in the mood. It should have already done something, you know, but it didn't. What happened with Pablo? He's posting like twice a week now. You know, Litecoin end of cycle prediction over 4 figures. So, but I don't know. A little late. What I miss? Talking about Litecoin, talking about Quant, Bitcoin. Pablo was wrong. He said it will crash. You were right. Exactly. But his followers, his bootlicking followers, man, they didn't want to listen to me. They were worshiping him. It's like if Pablo said that he built a space station on the sun, they would go in a rocket, they'd fly there, and they would believe him until their eyeballs melt off their faces. Will you sell all of your chain link? Not all of it, no. A little bit. Will quant keep going down? I think it's going to flap. Just be flat for a little bit. ETH coin flip this year or not? No. The flipping. Do I like play to earn games? I haven't ever played those. So, hey, Alex, update on the current market. Why is it dipping a bit? Any short prediction? Why is it dipping? Oh no, it's dipping. Sorry, I'm way behind. It's dipping because it's been scorching hot lately, so it's got to have a dip. It's fine. I don't think we're going to go below 42,000. I think that is the level of support that the whales know. 42,000 is a critical level. If they were to see it go to 42,000 or anywhere near there, they would scoop it up like crazy. I know you hold for long term. When do you think the market will drop to buy in for long term holds? Yeah, I just kind of answered that question too. If you see Bitcoin anywhere near 42,000, I would say that's the time. Yeah, Litecoin was at 143 when I first heard you mention it. Now it's at 152 plus. Good. Yeah, I set a limit order at 133. I think I bought some for my kids and bought it around 130 or so. That was this week. So holding a good amount of Chainlink, Poke, Vet, Solana, XRP, Crow, and Quant. Should I just sit back now? Man, Ethereum. I mean, I'm going to say Bitcoin, but nobody's going to listen to me when I say buy Bitcoin. But Ethereum, you got to have Ethereum, man. Chainlink, I love Chainlink. Long-term hold for me. XLM price prediction, end of the cycle, like $5. Hello, Zlatan. Alex, do you take out profits? I'm not going to do it for a while. Once Bitcoin gets across its all-time high, I'll probably sell about 10% of my portfolio. And then, probably the $100,000 mark, if and when it gets there, I'll probably sell another 20%, something like that. So what's a good price for Litecoin? How about under 150? Oh, man. I'm so far behind. Thank you for the information. ETH, I made 15K. Wow. Okay, great. ACH is going down. Like I said, yeah, anytime people have to take profits. So, hey, Neutral, what's up, man? SHIB prediction. I just think it's going to go, I think it'll go back to its all-time high, maybe a little higher. Litecoin prediction, end of the year, 500. End of cycle, over 1,000. Crypto Weatherman thinks Doge will start going up short term. I mean, he made that video and Doge was around 20 cents. It's gotten up to 25 cents today, or 24 cents. So yeah, he was right about that. And that's why I love Crypto Weatherman. Buying around 3K for ETH. Yeah, that sounds about right. This is a good area to sit back for a bit, perhaps. I took ETH out 27.50 as Pablo. Oh man, yeah. Oh, Pablo. Yeah, I think he shorted ETH around that time. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And I just said hold, even if it dips. How high do you see? Don't do really short. But are we in a bull run? Sort of. I mean, I'm not saying that we are in the bull run yet. We're not back in. We're not back in yet. Let's test that 200-day moving average at 44,800. But listen, I mean, Bitcoin is up 50%. In a span of 2.5 weeks. We're in a bull run of sorts, yeah. Am I a fan of XRP for short term? In a sense, yeah, but I don't think it's going to outperform really all that much. So pump and dump, no. Oh, man. Okay, so take profits, hit it. Why don't you think the CMA gap at 32K will be filled? Lots of reasons. I'm not going to go into that. What about mining Bitcoin? Yeah, if you can mine Bitcoin, go for it. Is there a risk of impermanent loss staking cake? No, not for staking. For farming, yes, but not for staking. Quant got me. Do you think ETH will drop the next day or so? I mean, it's already dropped. Again, the thing that I would say is if Bitcoin gets around $42,000, that's when you load up. I don't think we're going below 42,000. Well, no, I think it's critical to test 42,000 as support. We could absolutely go below there, but I think we'll bounce off of that pretty hard. Where do you see the crypto space 10 years from now? Just much bigger than where it is now. So what do I do with ETH? I mean, I think ETH is going to 5 figures conservatively over the next 12 months. So I would recommend holding. ETH will break 4K this week. I disagree, but that would be great. How high do you see Litecoin going this pump? I already answered that. Do you think ETH will drop next day or so? I already answered that. Viewers increasing now. Watch out. Yeah. Where can you do buy limits for crypto? I know you can do it on Voyager. And by the way, again, I am live on YouTube. I'm way behind on these comments here. But if you look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube, I will be able to answer every question there. And while you're there, you know, subscribe to my channel. So 2025 prediction for ETH. It really depends on where it peaks out this cycle. But in the 5 figures, I don't think 6 figures, but let's see. I do also have an ETH and Bitcoin, but ran out of type. Okay. Oh, okay. That's funny. Should I buy in ETH now? Yes, every day. Doge bear market price like 4 cents. Do you think we'll have any more big pullbacks this year? Listen, I think we're going to $200,000 over the next year. I think on the way to $200,000, we will have several 25 and 30% dips. And we might have one 50% dip along the way. So yes, I do. Man, I'm so far behind. I'm sorry. Pablo said sell. Yes, he did. C-Space is here. Hey, what's up, C-Space? Need quick money to buy. What do I do? I don't give advice for that. Buy Litecoin. All right, I just gave advice. Okay, are we on the up and up, or should we expect a sharp downturn shortly? In general, I say we're moving up. How much X can Quant go? I could see 5X. What's a good target price to buy Litecoin? Under 150. Long-term prediction on ETH, 15,000 this cycle. Hey, what's up, Norma? Or Norm, sorry. Every time I read your name, I say Norma. Just bounced off 42. Did it go all the way down to 42? I didn't see that. Kids climbing already. All right, see you, neutral. I just bought some 1-inch coins. What do you think about 1-inch? Chris, I don't really know enough. Sorry. Where do you see Cardano in 2 years? I mean, 2 years from now will probably be the middle of the bear market. Higher than where it is now. I could see it around $2.50, $3 or something like that. Do you like Crow? I love Crow. Yes. Crypto.com. They're going to be selling crypto for many, many years, which makes me bullish on the coin. Good to buy an ETH now. Every day. Yes. Hey, what's up, 251? Son wants you to invest in Hood. Oh, man. It's probably a good move. And I hate to say that because I hate Robinhood. So, oh, man. It would help if you guys didn't spam. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Yeah, didn't you say that in one of my videos? And it went exactly like I said. So have fun. Have fun being wrong. But yeah, it is absolutely no guarantee. I've never made any guarantees, Angler. I even said this time could be different. Man, you guys, some of you, not you know, some of the haters, man, they're so quick to say that I'm taking a certain stance in some way. So 2.5 million worth of buyers at 42K. There we go. Yeah. You have Doge all-time high Q1 2022. No, Q1 or Q2. Any recent moves that make you believe it'll get there sooner? I mean, there are definitely a lot of people who are back on the hype train saying that we're peaking in the fall or in early winter. Maybe they're right. I don't know. Do you like XRP? I like XRP, yeah. Is Bitcoin going down more? I would say $42,000 is going to be there will, if Bitcoin goes below $42,000, the way it's going to happen is that it's going to get down to $42,000 and bounce really hard off of it. But I don't think, I'm going to guess no, not below $42,000. Yeah, this is the dump on 44K that we were all expecting, yeah. Dogecoin dump, nah. H-bar prediction end of the year, like 35 cents. Still a good time to buy Matic, I would say so. It was either a dump on 44K or Parabox King's Cross to 58. Whew. King's Crown, okay. Avalanche or Algorand or Solana. Between those, Solana. Better watch you on TikTok than YouTube. Okay. Whatever you prefer, it's fine. Thoughts on ETH? I love ETH. I'm crazy about it. Watch my video with a sticker on it through EIP 3675. Is Doge a good coin to hold? If not, what's a good jump point? It is definitely not a good coin to hold. You make some short-term profits on it. Jump point, I mean, 50 cents. How about that? When you say this cycle, what do you mean time-wise? I mean like the bull run within the 4-year cycle. which is predictably about a year and a half to 2 years after the most recent halving, which happened in May of 2020. Exchange Bitcoin to ETH. What do you think? A percentage? If you don't have any ETH, yes. Yeah. Should I get rid of a farm? Of farm the crypto? I mean, if you're still holding on to it, just hold on to it. Have you got any opinions on Zed Run? That's really interesting to me. Are you using Polygon Matic transferred from ETH? So I haven't gotten too acquainted with Zed Run. It sounds interesting. That's all I'll say. Gotta love them haters. Yeah. Bitcoin going to 10K. Yes, sir. Prince Big Man. It's going to 10K. XRP price prediction, $8 to $10. Dogecoin hold or dump. I would say hold. ETH prediction by December, 5,000 by the end of the month. 3,500 or so. This is a collapse dump. What? All right, I have ETH on 2 different platforms. This is, yeah, that's fine. Gonna sell my Chainlink. Should I buy Tether, Litecoin, or XRP? You know that Tether is stablecoin, right? So that would just be like selling it. But between the two, if you want short-term gains, I would say Litecoin. Do you see Bitcoin continue to rise through September? I do not. I don't think September is going to be a good month. Got Bitcoin, ETH, and Quant. Should I add DOT and Link? Yes. Yeah. XLM, 7 billion market cap, 30 cents. Man, yeah. Hello, TJK. See a coin prediction? I don't have one. Sorry. Crypto Dirk. My pleasure. Oh, it's lunchtime. How low do you expect ETH to go today? A little under 3,000 maybe. Or maybe we've already seen the bottom. It's hard to say today, so. Chainlink end of bull run prediction, $200. All right, you've asked that question a lot. Where do you see Litecoin going this pump? I don't know. Higher. Do you see Bitcoin will have a significant drop coming up? No, not significant. What has changed your view on Litecoin? You know, I still don't like Litecoin, but there's no doubt in my mind that for short and medium term gains, it's awesome. And again, on my Twitter account, WWBitcoin, you got to scroll down a little bit, but earlier this week, I retweeted this thread about Litecoin that had me absolutely convinced that Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin and maybe ETH. So what's up? What's up, Smiles, man? Good to see you again. Luna, I would still say Luna needs a little bit more time to cool off. It pumped really hard. Yeah, DOT is potential. Yes, sir. I'm amazed people don't research what they throw their money into. Yeah. What state do I live in? I live in the Midwest. I'm not going to say the state. Sorry, I'm lagging a lot. Okay. But I wouldn't be for the next 12 hours. You wouldn't be what, Frawley? I don't know what you're saying. The future of Doge, higher. What am I eating? Looks like spaghetti. I am going to leave the live stream to have my lunch. And I'll probably actually be done for today. I got to get my tires changed. Going on a trip next week. I got to get an alignment. So, oh man. I think I'm done. But thank you all for joining me. Again, follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I do have an Instagram now, World War Bitcoin. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I don't think, maybe I'll be back on live. I don't know if I'll be live today. So I saw the name Pablo. Let me read that comment. I like the fact that you stood up to Pablo and you were right. Thank you, Crypto Cyber Dude. Yeah, I was right. All right. Peace.